sure you hang on. Wind is right behind us, which makes it much easier. So in we go. The well-kept area on the right is Lockmaster's residence. In fact, you can see the crane outside the silver shed, the grey crane there. That actually moves across the barrage on rails and can lift up these concrete blocks. In each division there's about 5 1-metre deep concrete blocks that sit on top of one another, creating a barrier between the salt and the fresh. This is the last of the freshwater, last 100 metres of fresh water in the whole Murray-Darling Basin just here. So in we go.
This was, you could just drive in and have a picnic on the grass and, you know, play ball or all that sort of thing. Oh yeah.
Going to the sea now? You were going to the sea?
Salt water over there,
I've seen the news that Venice is underwater by about a foot. People walking foot deep. Yeah, it's the highest tide they've ever had or something. I think we're there first crash of my life. Yeah.
Okay, just sitting in the lock now, folks, and waiting for another boat that's coming in behind us. They'll fit 2 in here together. And when the boat arrives and gets inside, the gate will shut behind us and lock us inside the chamber. And water levels will be adjusted. We'll go down nearly a metre to sea level on the other side. And then the gate will open when the levels have been equalised. But they can't do anything until that gate shuts behind us. And just in front, under the water, there's a big valve about 1 metre square, a door that opens hydraulically and lets the water out very quickly. Within a minute or 2 we're down to sea level, almost a metre. About 180,000 litres of water escapes through that valve very, very quickly.
Kobe, and you're gonna go.
When we leave the lock in a moment, we'll travel very slowly through. Looking out on your left-hand side, there may be 1 or 2 seals, New Zealand fur seals, just resting in the woodwork. But you have to look through the paling fence to see them. If you're upstairs, you'll look down on it, or there. So not as many seals as we normally see. There's only about 3 or 4 or 5 there, perhaps, if we're lucky. Whereas earlier months, it's been quite a few. There's been up to 50 seals there. Some of them have gone out through the Murray Mouth for the breeding season. Others have remained. Some of the younger ones are still here. A little boat in our company just coming in behind. It's called Cruise the Coorong. They've got some people from the South Australian Tourist Office on board.
You need to bring that so not spill.
leave it there.
Having a look
Not
at the
spill
Coorong.
when.
Just leave it there, it's alright.